Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to channel to test watermarks is brands where information upload photography, image and videos. But watermark is provided then because your design and image content information improvement text other information protect you present contact how to watermark product creation is many photography has learned art project digital image once internet every if you filed copyright with right federal copyright offers made your photo use promotion website social media if you some use image without permission you can send cases and related letter fields complaint with the social media platform where save image text some deleted which times out your watermark to protect content create because these attack your information of the image the US still get create way some share your work in place the edit which is owner heads who use watermark photography heads brands a content creation among the most common constantly user of digital watermarks. Our watermarks the original dual page our pancreas content Domi Tech Look USA 10 billion and see your hobbies after creation digital stroke and digital watermarks later depend fund currency and check but similar level protect is watermark kindly image good ideas what is type of watermark best use me photo information watermarks subscribe my channel for latest mission update thanks for watching